Hello everyone, I'm Ville and welcome back to the episode 5 of this fan building series. In today's episode I'm applying sound deadening mat on the walls and over the wheel arches. So why did I choose this type of mat? Honestly, I'm not 100% sure myself. It's butyl based mat with an aluminium foil layer, which is pretty standard for van conversion. The good thing about butyl mats is that they stick very well and they reduce vibration and they don't smell like asphalt based ones. The downside, they can get little bit stiff on cold weathers and they are a bit heavier to compare to some newer materials. For cleaning I'm using brake cleaner to get oil-free surface. Temperature outside is only around 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, so I'm using 2 kilowatt electrical heater and 1500 watt heat gun to dry any surface inside of the wall. That helps the mat stick better and last longer. Tip: don't use your good scissors to cut aluminium butyl mats because you will dull the cutting edge. When you cutting the pieces, remember that you only need to cover about 20 to 30% of the metal surface to get effective sound deadening. I'm not too worried about how this layer looks because it's all going to be under self-adhesive fake Armaflex insulation and rock wool anyways. Before sticking the mat on, make sure the surface is completely dry so you get the best possible adhesion. And remember, when you heat the butyl mat it gets softer and it stretches better around the curves and shapes. Alright, let's move on the other side. I ordered my insulation from AliExpress. It's similar to Armaflex. I ordered 10mm and 15mm sheets, but I received only 7mm and 15mm instead. So let's hope that's still enough.
First, what we're going to do is insulate these two back doors.
And next we will do the side panels. And that's it for this episode. If you have any questions, drop them into the comments, and if you liked the video, make sure you leave the like. Thank you for watching, see you on the next one.